Gikundi kia mawakiri rungu rwa kiama kiao kia LSK ni matafanirie mururungano wa thayu kuma igoti-ini ria NAIKURU o nginyagia wabici-ini cia gavana wa kaunti no Susan KIHIKA makionania kwaga kuiganira na gavana KIHIKA uria maugite ndakoretwo agitia watho wa igoti. Mawakiri aya mararakitwo ni ikinya ria gavana kwagera kiene watho wa igoti makiria ma maita matandatu giko gia ica ikuhi riria athirwo gucokia motungata ma thibitari wa Nakuru wa memorio kuri urugamiriri uria ukoretwo kiramata thibitari uyu.
Nakuru County Government, we must say that you must obey a court order, and it's not optional, it is not a plea, it is a demand. And once again, Your Excellency, you'll be on history when it's written that watu wanakufa kwa dialysis machine simply because it's disconnected. If you really mean what you mean when people are electing you, obey the court order, wacha hospitali iendelee na kila kitu iendelee.
Hapa hivi.
Ona kuri ugutinaga ndugamano thutha wa gikundi kia mwana kugeria guthararia mururungano uyu undu uria ucungiriirie maabithaa borithi kuhuthira riera ria kuruta maithori niguo kuamurithia nyanake ici.
They hired goons to stop us from advocating for what we as advocates ordinarily need to advocate for, the rule of law. Our intention was not to engage in any political affairs. Our intention was just to indicate that the judiciary should be respected, their orders should be respected, and the independence of the judiciary should be affirmed as an equal and equitable partner.
Mawakiri aya aria marutire ndumiriri nja ya wabici cia gavana ni mamenereirie gavana KIHIKA makiuga ni abatie gutia watho wa igoti kuona onake ni athomeire maundu megemainie na watho.
As a colleague in the profession, we are extremely disappointed that she is overseeing a regime that is trampling against constitutionalism and respect for the rule of law. Now we want to address our Madam Governor. We want to remind her that when she took the oath of office, the words that she swore with her own mouth were that she will do justice to all in accordance to the Constitution and in accordance with the laws of Kenya, without fear, without favor, without affection, and without ill will.
Oho mawakiri aya ni monanite kwaga kuiganira kwao makiuga atongoria nio makoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere kuregana na watho wa igoti makiuga igikia gukorwo kiri kionereria kiuru.
No muhaka bururi ta wa Kenya uria wi democratic na uria uragavarwo ni rule of law na gatiba ukorwo andu magitia watho, whether wi munene wa bururi, whether wi munene wa county, whether wi senator kana wi mujumbe kana wi MCA ona mu Kenya ona ithito mawakiri no muhaka tukorwo tugifuata watho na tutie watho hindi ciothe.
Ni maugire matigukira ringi makiuga ihinda ni ikinyu ruhonge rwa igoti ruheo gitio.
Kinyete handu nginyagia judges aitu magatwika frustrated tondu maraheane orders cia kinya ni hindi ya guthie ku make sure that ni cia rumiriro orders icio igacoka cieta maratathi itari na watho itari na hinya wothe wa kiwatho.
Ngerifuatira ceceni ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya NAIKURU itagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.